The cruel mother cat kicked her kittens out of the house, and now they have to survive on the streets all alone. The poor kittens had no place to sleep or get food. The sister kitten got very hungry, and her brother had to look some food for her, and luckily, the brother got a banana for her. Oh no, the kitten's poor sister urgently needed normal food, so the kitten went to the supermarket nearby to steal something to eat. Oh no, the police thought he's a thief, and the boy kitten was arrested by the police. A grandmother on the street saw the sister kitten and kindly took it to her home. The kitten lived a happy life, but she missed her brother very much. Luckily, the grandma went to jail, and both kittens met and were happy again.
Wow! All right, time to get ready for school. Yes, finally. Bye, Mom.
Have a great day at school, sweetie.
Let's head to school, kids.
As the bus was taking the kittens to school, a UFO suddenly attacked the city. Oh no! Under the influence of the UFO, the school bus began to transform into something monstrous.
Eagle 1, first strike. You're cleared to engage the target.
The kitten came home, and Mother Cat is cooking for her. Mother Cat saw Kitten's bad grade and got really angry. Kitten, why did you get a bad grade? You really disappointed me, and I will ground you. The kitten said, sorry. Kitten asked for food. Serve food today. Go to your room and do your homework. The poor kitten was severely punished by his mother and cried all evening. The mother cat discovered that the kitten had run from home through the window, and now, at the street all alone, the kitten was hungry and saw a candy. She began to collect the candy scattered around and went into a dark alley. Oh no, the kitten fell into a trap of evil black cat and was kidnapped. The mother cat reported to the police. Fortunately, the police got on the trail of the criminal and detained him. The mother luckily reunited with her kitten. Children, today we are having drawing lessons. Yay! Your task is to draw my portrait. Huh? You're so clumsy. Wipe it quickly. The kitten says, sorry to teacher. The kitten accidentally knocked over the paint and got a scolding from the teacher. Children, show your drawings. You are such a good boy. The kitten shows it. You're such a disappointment today. You will get a bad grade and a punishment. God, the kitten was severely punished for bad drawings. Kitten quickly ran home and cried the whole day. From that day on, the kitten practiced her drawings day and night wherever she was. After 1 month of practicing, the kitten was back to the class. Kitten, you want to be punished today again? How did you do that? The kitten proved what she was capable of, and the teacher got what she deserved for her cruelty.
Oh my god.
Children, today we will conduct chemical experiments. While the teacher was working with chemicals, the kitten got bored and fell asleep. Don't you dare sleep during my class! I punish you with a bad grade for disrespecting me. The kitten says, sorry to the teacher. Children, let's continue the experiment. Oh God, the teacher accidentally added the wrong chemical and caused an explosion. Huh? After being contaminated with the chemicals, the teacher turned into a zombie, and now she's hunting for the kitten. Good morning, sleepyhead. Okay, class. Let's proceed with the experiment. Wow, luckily, all this was the kitten's dream, and the experiment was a success, and the kitten got a good grade. Children, play carefully. Okay, Mom. Who made this mess? The black kitten blamed it on his brother. Now go and clean up all the mess. The white kitten says it's not him. The black kitten hit the saucepan with a ball again, and then blamed it on his brother. Now my patience has run out. Huh? I have to punish you. You're grounded. Go to your room. Mother Cat unfairly punished White Kitten for brother's mistakes. The kitten was very upset that he was punished for nothing and decided to run away from home. Huh? Oh God, poor kitten was hit by a bus, and now he is lying unconscious. The kitten was quickly taken to the hospital, and the doctor saved his life. Luckily, the next day the kitten was treated, and his mother and brother said sorry to him then. Everything ended well. The kitten is so hungry. The mother cat comes at home and greets the kitten. Huh? Why did you leave such a mess in the kitchen? The kitten says sorry to his mom. Wash the dishes now and clean all. Oh no, the mother cat saw the kitten's bad grades and got really angry. You are such a disappointment. Leave this house and don't come back to me again. The cruel mother kicked the kitten out of the house, and now the kitten is left alone on the street. The kitten decided to study hard, no matter where, to become successful. After 15 years, the kitten became a respectable doctor. The mother cat fell sick and lost consciousness. The doctors arrived quickly and took the mother cat to the hospital. The kitten saw his mother and treated her very well, but she couldn't believe it. Luckily, the cruel mother cat and the kitten reunited again. The kitten is going to school. Hi! You are so late. Take your seat now.
I'm sorry, teacher.
All right, children, we are having a test today. The kitten was prepared for the test, and the next day the results were ready. Show your results, kids. You are such a good boy.
Why my grade is so bad?
You don't deserve good grades. You deserve punishment.
Can I go to the toilet?
No, stand and be patient. Oh no, cruel teacher did not allow the kitten to go to the toilet, and she was disgraced in front of the class. The mother cat got really annoyed and called the police to arrest the teacher.
Oh my god.
Luckily, the kitten now has a new teacher, and she gets the grades she deserves.
Please subscribe to my channel.
The mother cat is cooking eggs for the kitten for breakfast. The kitten ate the breakfast very well, so his mother took him to the amusement park. Oh, wow! It's wonderful the mother cat bought tickets for the kitten to play games. Oh no! When the kitten got tired of playing the same games, he wanted to ride the roller coaster, but his mom said it's dangerous. Oh my god! The kitten took advantage of the mother cat's time to buy food. The kitten rushed to ride the roller coaster.
Huh?
The mother cat quickly ran away to stop the kitten, but no!
Oh my god.
The security guard quickly called the ambulance, and he was taken to the hospital. Thankfully, he's fine again.
Please subscribe to my channel.
Today, the weather was good, and the mother cat decided to take the kitten for a stroll in the city. Oh no! Two evil black cats targeted the kitten and kidnapped her. The mother cat saw and tried her best to chase the thieves and save the kitten. Oh no! The mother cat rode the bike so fast and crashed into a car. The kitten courageously fought the kidnappers. An evil cat crashed also. Luckily, the mother cat was taken to the hospital and got treated.
Please subscribe to my channel.
The pregnant mother cat just finished cleaning up when the playful kitten messed up everything. Oh no, the two kittens getting playful again. They're messing up everything in the kitchen to cook. The two kittens start cooking and eating all over the place. The pregnant mother cat got annoyed and chased the gray cat and cleaned up again, and she fell over. Oh my God! Luckily, the ambulance arrived and she was taken to the hospital, and she delivered her newborn baby.
Please subscribe to my channel.
Wow! Mother cat and kitten are happily decorating Christmas tree. Good night, my daughter. Wow, Christmas has come, and Santa Claus is preparing gifts for lovely children. While Santa Claus is giving out gifts, the evil witch flies in. Oh no! The evil witch turned Santa to a monster. Huh?
Huh?
The mother cat saw the monster, captured her kitten, and decided to save her kitten and everyone in the city.
Please subscribe to my channel.
Oh no, the mother cat is about to leave home, and the kitten is begging her father to keep her. Mom, please stay home. Oh my God, the kitten was sad because her mother left, so he got in the car to chase her. The father cat was shocked when he saw the kitten driving through the window. He immediately chased the car. The mother cat tells the taxi driver to stop the car. The taxi driver brakes too fast, and the kitten crashes into the taxi.
Huh?